come out to play? Who's come out to start growing, living on his cuttlefish as usual? Look, I've put fruit in there, I've put cucumber in there, but no. He always goes to his cuttlefish bone. So as you can see, I've got my camera all duct taped up. So the problem is, when I plug my mic into my camera, the camera doesn't recognise that this microphone is connected to it. So then I have to deal with the camera switching to the internal microphone, which is just horrific. So what I think has happened is the microphone port on the camera is just absolutely buggered. So I'm gonna Frankenstein it and get some duct tape and duct tape the microphone as tight as I can to the camera so that the microphone stays in the microphone port. It looks ugly, I know, but if it means that the audio is going to work, then I'll take it. And now, if I switch over to this camera, which I'll do now, it should be good again, hopefully. Duct tape and a pair of scissors might have just saved me sending this camera off to Canon and paying a fat charge. Yeah. I put 25 in. Hiya, B.
You don't mind a snap about golf clubs?
I just watched it. Hemp hand and nail treatment. Is it better than Palmer's
It's nice,
cocoa butter?
nice even spread. It's not a greasy one.
Get it on them knuckles and them elbows.
Pina colada. Getting caught in the rain.
Them ones. You can't complain now.
If everyone was able to do the stairs, we'd do the stairs.
There's level 1. Level 2. Level 3. What level are we?
6. My cats are burning from what?
6th floor.
NGL.
And we're done. Now we've got to find the car somehow. Those stairs were harder than we thought. See you later.
Guys, it's lovely to see you back.
Lovely to see you too. Oh, you broke your door. Ta-da, B.
See you later.
Ta-da. Champions League has just started, so I'm going to miss maybe 10 or 15 minutes. But we need to get supplies, so... White rolls. Good throw.
That was a quick trip because we're rushing to get back for the football.
It's football time! Take your things, please. Thanks. Quick! Quick! What's the time? I've missed 20 minutes already. Shit. What's the score? That's 0-0. Quick, take my shoes off! And after some woeful Liverpool goalkeeping, Real Madrid yet again win the Champions League. And they won it all because of a Welshman.